In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to complete the class roster verification agreement. First, navigate to the Employee TechLink page, which can be done by accessing TechLink through the Forsyth Tech homepage. If prompted, log in with your Tech ID and password. Click TechLink Employees on the left. Next, scroll down the page and click My Forsyth Tech on the right side list of shortcuts. Once you are in My Forsyth Tech, click your profile towards the top of the screen, then click on Required Agreements. Locate the Class Roster Verification Report, then click on View under the Action column. A dialog box with a prompt will appear on screen. Only accept this agreement after the last census date for classes that you teach. You will need to accept the agreement only once per semester, regardless of the number of classes that you teach. Once you are ready, click the Accept button to sign the report. You have now successfully completed the Class Roster Verification Agreement.